Hello students, today I am going to explain chapter 2 of your English grammar book, Abstract and Concrete Noun. Dear students, in chapter 1 we have learnt about two kinds of noun, that was common and proper, and here we are going to learn about two more kinds, that is abstract and concrete. You all know that nouns are naming words. Noun can be common nouns or proper nouns. We have read about this in chapter 1. Now, here we will be learning nouns can be the names of people, places, animals or things. These are nouns and that can be seen physically. We all know that nouns can be seen physically, and such nouns are called concrete nouns. For example, a policeman, theatre, kangaroo, bench, pencil, book, table, lunchbox, water bottle, whatever. The things which we can see physically are called concrete nouns. Okay. Now, noun can also refer to the relationships, qualities, ideas, theories, feelings, states of being, etc. And such nouns are called abstract nouns. So, students, it's very amazing to know that the nouns that cannot be seen, touched, heard, smelt or tasted, such nouns are called abstract nouns. Remember this, okay? Example can be taken happiness. If you are happy, is it visible? क्या हम देख पाते हैं कि कोई खुश है? No. So happiness cannot be seen. Bravery, it may be cowardice, मतलब the feeling of braveness. क्या वो दिखाई देती है? No, we cannot see it. Beauty, pain, luck, bad luck. So these all are some feelings, some relationships, some theories, some ideas, the name of qualities, and such nouns are called abstract nouns because these are the feelings or relationships which cannot be seen. Noun forms of adjectives or verbs are usually abstract nouns. जो भी adjectives की जो noun forms होती हैं वो ज़्यादातर हमारे abstract noun होते हैं. For example, brave. Brave is an adjective, and when we form the noun form of brave, it is bravery. So bravery is an abstract noun. Silent is an adjective, but when we change it to a noun form, silence, it is an abstract noun. These can sometimes be made by adding ity, ness, ence, and tion at the end. Okay, these such type of nouns can be made by adding these suffixes. Okay, rare, rarity, happy, happiness, different, difference, collect, collection, and so many more. We'll be learning in the chapter by practicing exercises. I hope you have understood what is abstract and concrete nouns now. Hope you have understood. Let us get ready to solve the exercises. Thank you for watching.